Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Today is Tuesday the 11th of July. We will look back at yesterday's trades, we will look at today's potential trades, and we'll look at the important news for today as well. So let's get started with yesterday's trades, guys. The first one was this Canadian dollar Swiss franc, and we were looking to short this pair. And as you can see, guys, yeah, we were in an uptrend. But then price has been breaking down ever since. Yeah, we're getting lower lows, lower highs. Yeah, we're clearly in a downtrend now. And all we want to do, guys, is, carry on this downward momentum. This will still be a trade idea today, potentially down to this blue line, if not further into this grey zone. All right. So let's go down to the H1 now to see what happened. So, yeah, at the start of the day, guys, on the H1, we pinpointed this area as an area where we could potentially short this pair. So, as you can see, guys, yeah, at this area, we get this candle. Yeah, so pretty bearish reaction at our grey zone. Or even this candle, guys, because we get this wick followed by a bearish candle. All right, guys, and, both of these candles, yeah, tell us sellers are in control. You'd need to put your stop up here, guys, to protect yourself, or your hedge, whatever you use, and then, take price lower, guys. So like I say, it reacted nicely at this grey zone that we highlighted. All right, guys, so let me know if you got in on this trade, if you traded it and took price lower. Yeah, nice trade. What else were we looking at yesterday? It was EuroCAD. So this is an identical trade. These are inversely correlated. If we start with the day chart, so we were looking to buy Euro Canadian dollar yesterday, guys. Okay, so again, if we look at the structure, yeah, it was a little bit untidy in here, but then bang. Yeah, as soon as we got this green candle, very bullish, break this level, yeah, we were looking for buys. All right, and as you can see, guys, price came up and hit our blue target and is in the grey zone now. So for me, it might want to carry on further into this grey zone, but I cannot buy into resistance, so I won't be looking at this today for that reason. Yeah, because if I zoom out, guys, you can see it is good resistance through here. Yeah, price has reacted in here before. Like I say, I'm not saying it won't go a little bit further, because this is a very bullish candle. It may go a little bit further into this grey zone. So if you're still in this trade you've left some profit, let it run. But yeah, I won't be looking to keep buying this today. If we drop down to the H1 now, what are we seeing? So, yeah, I mean, unless you got in on this candle back on Friday, yeah, what other candles did we have to enter? So there was this candle as well, guys, yeah, because basically you're looking for entries in terms of buyers are in control. If I'm trying to buy this market, buyers are in control. So there was this candle, but I was still looking for a retrace, potentially back to these lows, just to give me better value to come back up. All right. But if some of you did, maybe you traded off of this candle, guys, and that would have been a nice trade to take. Yeah. Yeah. And come up and hit target. So directions of all the trades, were very good yesterday. So that was Euro Canadian dollar. What else were we looking at? New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, where are we? So let's start with the day chart. We were looking to short this pair. All right, because if I zoom out, you can see this level through here is a good level of resistance. Okay, and then price has come back up to this level, and we had a bit of a reaction in terms of wicks. All right. So, yeah, you know, we were looking for shorts and it did come down to a point, but then pushed straight back up. And, you know, I don't really like the look of that daily candle to keep shorting this now. Okay. But anyway, let's see what happened on the H1. We can go into more detail. So, guys, yeah, there was this candle here. All right, that came shooting down. All right, and it does tell us sellers are in control, but yeah, there was this level through here where price had reacted previously. So I wanted to see what price did at this level. And then sure enough, yeah, look at this candle. Yeah, at this level, the whole market changed. It become bullish. Yeah, and then we push up and we're still in a bit of a, you know, H1 uptrend now. So difficult to trade this one, guys, because this first candle, we don't really want to sell into this support. And then after that, guys, we never really see a candle where sellers are in control. Maybe this one, but I was fast asleep at this point, guys. All right. So New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, yeah, a little bit tricky yesterday. And would I want to short this today? No, because of that bullish daily candle. All right. And we're in, you know, H1 uptrend. Okay. So, yeah, that was New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar yesterday. And the final trade from yesterday, there were many, many trades, guys, was New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. And this one has just been stuttering. If we look at the day chart, guys, yeah, we were looking to short this pair. Okay, so we were looking to short this pair. Let me show you the structure first of all. So structurally, guys, yeah, we were in an uptrend and then bang, we get lower lows. We're in a downtrend. And now it's found some new lower highs here. Okay. And then just look at the candles, guys. Yeah. Look at these candles. Yeah. I mean, this one, this one, this one, this one. Sellers are in absolute control of this market. Yeah. Even this green candle, because it has a large wick, you know, sellers are just driving this market down. All right. So I think it's still going to come down and hit our target, guys. Yeah. We've still got some room here. If we drop down to the H1, again, let me show you the H4. This is what made it tricky, because this H4 candle, yeah, and even this H4 candle would suggest it has a bit of room to the upside before it comes back down. All right, so this put me off selling this pair. So if we go back to the H1 now, you know, potentially we did get some, you know, by the time I was looking at the market, you know, there was this candle, but it had quite a bullish candle before it. Then we had this bearish candle, you know, but those H4 candles kept pushing back up. We even had this candle as well, you know, all of which tell us sellers are, you know, taking control. And it does come lower, but it's just not breaking these lows and now these lows. So it's a tricky one, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. Looking at that H4, I still think it has a bit of room to the upside before it wants to come back down. Okay, so we'll look at that in my trade ideas for today, guys. All right. But yeah, those were my trade ideas from yesterday. The directions on all of them were good, guys. Yeah, it's just a case of getting in on them. And let me know if you did. It would be great to hear from you. So that was yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the recap, and if you did, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now, smash that notification button, and if everyone please could smash the like button just to help support the video and the channel. Yeah, smash the like button. Thank you very much, guys. So trade ideas for Tuesday, the 11th of July. Guys, before we get started, let me just tell you a few things our channel does. So first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. It's free. Come join us. The link is in the video description. Part of free Discord, guys, you get access to other traders, their ideas, knowledge in general, indicators, useful links. All of these things are on the free Discord, guys, so come join it. We also have the VIP Discord. Yeah, the VIP Discord you do have to pay for, but you get access to me throughout the trading day. You can ask me any questions you like. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. You also have 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas as well. You get bespoke, exclusive content every week. And you get access to a performance coach as well, guys. So there's lots of cool things on the VIP Discord. Again, the link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to be mentored, coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email, guys, okay? And we'll send you all the information about the mentorship program, okay? So the email is in the video description. Thirdly, guys, if you would like to become a YouTube member, you can. If you would like to show your support for the channel, if you watch the analysis vids every morning, the live stream, then come and become a YouTube member, guys. This starts from as little as under $2 a month, and you get loads of cool perks, guys. All right, so become a YouTube member. Again, the information's in the video description. And finally, guys, don't forget our live streams every day, Monday to Thursday, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions over to me, and I will see you later for that. Right, let's look at the trade ideas for today, guys. Tuesday, the 11th of July. So, generally speaking, guys, yeah, I'm seeing Swiss franc strength, yeah, and also a little bit of yen strength. Who would have thunk it? Yeah, we're seeing a bit of yen strength, guys, come into the market. Okay, so generally that's what I'm speaking. That's what I'm seeing, and this is guiding my trades for today. Okay, so as a result of that, my first trade is this Aussie dollar against the Swiss franc. And we pretty much all of these Swiss franc pairs that I'm going to show you are trade ideas. So Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, if we look at this on the day chart, guys, is broke this channel down here and it's in a downtrend. Yeah, because if I zoom in, yeah, because this candle has broken this low, you know, we're clearly in a downtrend. We've got lower lows and lower highs. All right, so we're clearly in a downtrend. Yesterday, we got a nice bearish candle as well. Okay, and there's still a bit of room to move into back down to this level. All right. So that's what we're looking to do. Let's take a look at the H1 to see how we can enter this pair. Okay, I'm going to put another grey zone in up here just in case it does retrace to this level. Okay, so we've got a couple of levels here, guys. Yeah, so firstly, price could come up to this level. Yeah, we get a bearish reaction. We can enter this trade. Okay, bearish reaction, take price lower. And when I say bearish reaction, guys, I want something to tell me sellers are in control. So generally speaking, I'm looking for a bearish candle, H1, H4, you know, to tell me sellers are in control. I might even support that with a breakdown in M15 structure as an extra piece of confluence, all right? But that's what we're looking to do. Price could retrace all the way back up to these highs. And again, we just want to see a bearish reaction and take price lower, back down to that higher time frame target. All right, so that's Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. No surprises then that we are also looking at New Zealand Swiss franc. And again, guys, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, New Zealand Swiss franc, highly correlated. Yeah, so trade the one that gives you the best setup. But again, guys, if we take a look at this day chart, it was a trade idea from yesterday, still a trade idea for today. So at this point, we were thinking, okay, you know, uptrend, potentially come up to here. The market was like, no, yeah, lower lows now. and now it's come back up, and now we've got lower highs. All right, so the idea, you know, is to come back down. You know, we could have another target here, guys. Yeah, this 5450 level. Okay, I think that's also a good potential target. All right, so yeah, we're in a downtrend, and again, just look at the last 4 days of candles. Bearish, 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 bearish. Yeah, there's a lot of selling pressure. Okay, so let's drop down to the H1, see how we're going to trade this. So this really has been stuttering here. Yeah, it's finding some support here, so we need to be wary of that. And if it breaks this support, yeah, okay, then maybe we could start trading it as soon as it breaks this area. Okay, so that's one potential idea. Get a break of these lows, we start selling. All right. Or, yeah, price comes back into this grey zone and we get a bearish reaction. All right, again, we can start selling. I don't think it's going to make its way all the way back up to here before we get a reaction either. But another area I'm looking at is the H4. So, and I'm looking at this H4 moving average 20. Yeah, because look at this H4 candlestick and this. It tells me perhaps it wants to come a little bit higher. Okay, and then I think the moving average 20 on the H4 is a good dynamic resistance area. Okay, and then again, I want to see sellers in take control, and then again we could come lower, guys. All right, so that's what I'm looking for New Zealand Swiss franc, and surprise, surprise, Canadian dollar Swiss franc. Yeah, we're also looking at this, guys. If we start with the day chart, so, you know, look at this. This has just become storming down. And again, I'm going to put another target in here. Yeah, I think this could also be a target. Okay, but, you know, let's look at structure to start with. You know, we're in an uptrend up here, downtrend. Yeah, lower highs, lower lows. The quintessential downtrend. All right, and then again, just look at these candles. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah, technical term, bang, bang, bang. All very bearish. All right, and we've still got a bit of room to move into, guys, back down to this blue line or even this blue line. Okay, so we're looking to short this pair. If we drop down to the H1 now, yeah, I want to see a bit of a retrace here, guys. All right, so you can see we've got this level here, which is a nice level because price has reacted many times at this level. So in here, I think it's a nice setup. All right, so that's what we want to see. We want to see a retrace back into this level. You know, we get a bearish reaction. Yeah, we then enter the trade. Okay, I usually take some profit back at the H1 low or high if I'm buying. Yeah, take some profit, let the rest run, guys. Price could, yeah, you know, price, guys, it can do whatever the hell it likes. Price could come back up to these highs. Yeah, and again, just looking for a bearish reaction for us to come lower. All right, so yeah, these two levels I like, especially this one, guys. Okay, so yeah, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, we're also looking to short this pair. There's more, guys. Before I show you my last trade idea, yeah, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you're new to the channel, guys, subscribe to the channel right now. Also smash that notification button, and if everyone's enjoying this daily analysis, then please everyone smash the like button right now. Thank you very much. And also, guys, don't forget, we've got, you know, the free Discord, the VIP Discord, we've got the mentorship program, we've got YouTube membership, and we've got our live streams every day. All right, all the information for all of those things are in the video description. Right, my last trade is Aussie dollar Japanese yen, but let me take a look at just yen pairs in general. I spoke about this a little bit yesterday, but, you know, looking at the day chart, guys, you know, yen strength is in the house. Yeah, look at that. Sellers are, you know, coming in strong. Any of them, yeah, euro yen, look at all that selling pressure on the day chart. Let's have a look at pound yen. You know, sellers are coming back into this market. The one I do like, though, is Aussie dollar yen. Why do I like this? Because it's clearly broken a higher low. Sorry, bear with me. Yeah, because here you can see, yeah, we were still in an uptrend unless we break this level. Yeah, and we actually broke this level with this candle. Yeah, and then we've had, you know, so that has broken this low. All right, so we have had a change in structure. We now got lower lows. All right, you can clearly see that here. But also, guys, what I like now is this bearish candle. This tells us that sellers are in full control. All right, and a good target will be back down. I'll probably come down to this 50 level. Yeah, this 93.50 psychological level. All right, so we're looking to take price back down to there. We've had a structure break, bearish candle, you know, broken out of this area of, you know, what was once support is now resistance, you know, and it's coming down nicely. If we drop down to the H1, guys, what do we want to see? Yeah, you know, I would like to see a retrace back up to this grey zone. Okay, yeah, back up to these highs here. And then we get a bearish reaction and we can start shorting this pair. It's important to wait for that reaction, guys. Just don't short at these levels. Yeah, I know some traders do, yeah, and that's fine. But I like to wait for a bearish reaction. Like I say, I need to see sellers are in the market. If there's no sellers, yeah, I'll be like the only seller. I'll be like, what's going on? Yeah, so I need to see a sellers take control. All right. So once I get that in here, I can start shorting. Because we've had this bearish H1 candle that's broken these lows, I might be tempted just to get a bit of a retrace. There's like a little level through here, maybe a retrace just to here and enter. Put my stop above here. But we'll see. And if I do, you know, I'll put this on the VIP Discord. But Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, we're looking to short this pair as well. All right, guys. So those are my trade ideas for today. Please, everyone, smash that like button if you've enjoyed the analysis. And now we're going to take a look at today's news. So news for Tuesday, the 11th of July, guys. So nothing overnight for us to be concerned with. And if we carry on down, the first piece of news I'm interested in, it's only a two-star rating, but this information coming out of the UK, this employment data here, but especially the unemployment rate. So this is something we must be aware of, guys. Yeah, consider this a 3-star rating, and that's coming out at 7 o'clock London GMT. All right, so yeah, that could really move the pound, guys. At the same time, we've also got German CPI. I don't need to keep telling you how important CPI is because it's an inflation reading and it's all about inflation at the moment, guys. So yeah, pound and euro, yeah, we're going to move at around 7 o'clock London GMT. If we carry on down, guys, we don't have much more news, really. The only one we are interested in is this. At 5 o'clock London GMT, coming out of the US, we've got the short-term energy outlook. So that could really move the US dollar. All right, guys, so quite a light news day today. You are free to trade. And yeah, guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST. All right, guys, hope you've enjoyed the vid. Smash the like button, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you later.